Virgin Galactic is sitting at a really interesting point because this chart has spent a long time disappointing investors, and now it's trying to convince the market that the worst could finally be behind it. The problem is, trying isn't the same thing as proving it. Right now, I'm seeing signs that buyers are attempting to build a base, but I still don't think we've reached the point where this becomes an easy trade. The recent price action has been much more constructive than what we saw during the prolonged downtrend. Instead of making aggressive lower lows, price has started stabilizing, and that's usually the first thing I look for before any meaningful recovery. That said, stabilization alone isn't enough. I want to see buyers actually reclaim resistance and hold those gains because that's where confidence starts returning. The first level I'm watching is the most recent swing high. If buyers can push through that area with increasing volume, then I'd become much more interested in the upside. That would tell me institutions are finally stepping back into the name rather than simply allowing retail traders to chase short lived bounces. Until that happens, every rally deserves a little skepticism. If support fails from here, then I think this stock could easily revisit recent lows before finding stronger demand. That's why I'm not interested in predicting the exact turning point. I'd much rather wait for confirmation than get trapped trying to buy too early. For me personally, this is still a watchlist stock rather than an execution stock. The setup has potential because sentiment is already extremely low, but potential doesn't pay the bills. Confirmation does. If buyers start building higher highs and higher lows again, I'll happily reassess my opinion. Right now, my bias stays neutral. The opportunity could absolutely develop, but I need the chart to prove the recovery is real before I become bullish. If you want my exact execution framework and the setups I'm personally watching before market open, it's inside the Patreon, link in the description.